गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा लेक्चर है ये है प्रोनाउन के ऊपर। ये एक नया टॉपिक है, सो दिस इज द न्यू टॉपिक वी आर स्टार्टिंग टुडे। सो व्हाट इज प्रोनाउन? सो द डेफिनेशन फॉर प्रोनाउन इज a pronoun is a word used instead of a noun, means the words which are used in the place of nouns are known as pronouns. The definition is very simple, means the word which we will use at the place of noun. Like in any of the sentence we can see a lot of the nouns, so at the place of noun we will be using the word which will be the pronoun. So the words which are used at the place of nouns are known as the pronouns. Now for an example, like say that, for example, if we make a sentence like Rahul is a good boy, Rahul goes to school every day, Rahul eats his lunch, Rahul plays with his friends, Rahul study carefully, Rahul sleeps at night, Rahul goes for swimming. So again and again I'm using the word Rahul. Now Rahul is a noun because it is the name of a person, so that is a noun. So instead of using Rahul again and again, we can use like he. So at the place of Rahul, like I said in the example, that in the place of Rahul we can use he. So it will become like Rahul is a good boy. He goes to school every day. He eats his lunch properly. He plays with his friends. He goes to play in the playground. He sleeps at night. He eats his food. He goes to swimming, and etc. etc. There can be so many things that Rahul can do, but at the place of Rahul we can use he. So we can use he. We can use similar words like he, or there can be many words. It depends on the condition, on what we are talking about. So there are similar words which can be used at the place of Rahul. So this is the example of pronoun. So here Rahul will be the noun. So Rahul was the noun, and for the pronoun it will be he. So Rahul will be the noun, and at the place of noun we use a pronoun, so that will be he. So this is how we use a pronoun at the place of noun. So this was the small example which I used to explain you. Now this is the definition, so please note this in your copies. Now the next topic is types of pronouns. So under the types of pronouns there are many kinds of pronouns. There are around 9 types of pronouns. So the first type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Now what is personal pronoun? The pronunciation means when we are using the words like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, जब हम इस तरीके के वर्ड्स को यूज करेंगे, when we will use the words like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, so these words are known as the personal pronouns. Now why they are called personal pronouns? Because normally we use these words for our personal use. Like when I'm talking about I, so I means me, so I'm talking about myself, so it will be definitely a personal pronoun. So these are the words which comes under the category of personal pronoun. Now there are 3 types of person when we will be discussing about these words. So there are 3 type of persons where we will use these words. So the one who is talking, for example, there are 3 people standing here. This is the first person. Like I will mark this thing. if there are three persons standing and they are discussing something, or if there are two persons, now first take an example of two persons. If there are two persons, this is the first person, I will mark here first, this is the first person, this is the second person, and here someone, this is the third person. So first person, second person, and the third person. Now for the first person, the person who is speaking, now we can say that these two people are talking to each other. The first person is talking to second. Now the one who is speaking will be the first person. The first person is speaking and the second one is listening. So whenever we have to use any pronouns for the first person, so it will be for first person, so it will be I or we. So whenever we will use any pronoun for first person, so it will be I or we, यानी कि मैं या हम. So पहले व्यक्ति के लिए हम यूज करेंगे I और we. अब अगर सेकंड व्यक्ति की बात करें हम, इट विल बी यू, यानी कि तुम. यानी कि जब हम ये व्यक्ति, पहला व्यक्ति दूसरे से बात करेगा, तो ये उसको किस नाम से डिनोट करेगा? तुम से. यानी कि इंग्लिश में हम इसको बात करेंगे तो इट विल बी यू फॉर द सेकंड पर्सन. मतलब कि फर्स्ट पर्सन इज टॉकिंग टू द सेकंड पर्सन, सो फॉर द फर्स्ट पर्सन द प्रोनाउंस विल बी pronoun will be I and we, and for the second person it will be you. Now for the third person, for the third person, the pronoun will be used like he, she, it, they, etc. So there can be many more kinds of pronouns which can be used for the third person. So these are the pronoun which can be used for the first, second, and the third person. So this is the most important thing when we are talking about persons. He may be the first person, second person, or the third person. So depending upon the person, you have to add a pronoun according to the person, whether he is first, second, or third. So this is the most important thing. Please note this thing carefully in your copy. So please note this thing in your copies. Now the next topic is possessive pronoun. So what is the definition of a possessive pronoun? A pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. यानी कि कोई चीज, कोई ऐसा pronoun जो हमको ये बताता है कि कोई भी बिलोंगिंग यानी कि कोई भी वस्तु किसकी है। पोजेशन मीन्स कि कौन किसकी है वो, या वो मेरी है या किसी और व्यक्ति की है। सो जो प्रोनाउन हमको इस बात का पता करवाते हैं तो उनको हम कहते हैं पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन। अब जो इसका जो एग्जांपल है देखिए, एग्जांपल दिस हाउस जैसे कि पहला एग्जांपल है दिस हाउस बिलोंग्स टू मी, यानी कि ये घर मुझे बिलोंग करता है, यानी कि ये घर किसका है, ये घर मेरा है। मेरा यानी मतलब मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ। सो व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ आई विल यूज द वर्ड बिलोंग्स टू मी। सो यानी कि इसमें मुझे ये पता चल रहा है कि इन दिस सेंटेंस वी कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड द हाउस इज माइन, यानी कि ये घर मेरा है। तो यहाँ पे हमको ये चीज जिस भी हमको पता चलती है कि ये घर किसका था, अगर ये हो सकता है कि दिस हाउस बिलोंग टू हिम, यानी कि ये घर उसका है, तो या हम उसी जगह कहीं नाम भी लगा देते तो वो उस तरीके से होता कि हम किसी और की बात कर रहे हैं, तो उससे हमको एग्जैक्टली पता चल जाता है कि ये घर किसका है। अभी हमको पता चल गया कि घर किसका है। तो इस तरीके के जो प्रोनाउन होते हैं वो होते हैं पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल है राहुल बॉट दिस पेन, इट इज दिस, यानी इट इज हिज, यानी कि राहुल ने ही ये पेन खरीदा है। इट इज हिज यानी कि ये पेन उसका है। अब उसका किसका, राहुल का, क्योंकि आप ध्यान रखिए कि हम प्रोनाउन पढ़ रहे हैं। सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ नाउन वी हैव एडेड प्रोनाउन। सो एट द प्लेस ऑफ राहुल वी हैव एडेड हिज, यानी कि दिस पेन बिलोंग टू Rahul, because Rahul has bought this pen, that's why this pen belong to Rahul. So at the place of Rahul we have used his. So this was the another example for the possessive pronoun. So please note all these examples in your copy. Now these are the words like mine यानी कि मेरा, ours यानी कि हमारा, yours यानी कि तुम्हारा, his यानी कि उसका, hers यानी कि किसी मतलब his यानी किसी लड़के का, means his is used for normally for boys and her is used for girls. Their यानी कि उनका, are called possessive pronoun, यानी कि सारे जो words हैं ये आपके possessive pronouns के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं। तो इनको आप अपनी कॉपीज में ध्यान से नोट कर लीजिए ताकि आपको याद रहे कि कौन से वर्ड्स को कहाँ यूज करना है। तो इनको आप नोट कर लीजिए। सो जो आज ही हमने क्लास में पढ़ा वो हमने पढ़ा कि प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं, व्हाट आर प्रोनाउंस। हमने उसकी डेफिनेशन नोट करी और हमने दो तरीके के प्रोनाउन पढ़े, पहला तो था पर्सनल प्रोनाउन और दूसरा था पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन। सो आज ही क्लास के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू।